Whoa. Oh, bro. Yes. Thanks, bro. Yo, what's up everyone? Tim from Lumiere here. This is log number 2.
Log 23.
Log 23? Yeah. Okay, log 23. Yo, what's up everyone? This is log number 23. I am flying at you without a co-pilot today. Joshua Kirk, my wingman, has taken some time with his family to go visit other family in the UK. So today I am coming at you by myself and all on my lonesome. Hey, so if you've been watching us on our socials, you would have seen that we had a production a couple of weeks back at Oliver Estate. They're a lifestyle village located in Richmond. Actually a really amazing place. We were able to go in there and document a whole lot of content in terms of what the lifestyle village is about. One thing that was really amazing for us as Lumiere is the way that we have scaled and trying to get people into their lanes is we'd put Tom Solden, our editor, into a producer role, and he absolutely dominated that. We had snacks available, we had water, we had a run sheet that was just so perfectly timed for us. And just to be able to have someone that is able to tell us where to be, at what time and what we're shooting to make sure that we're keeping to time was just such a flawless effort from Tom. If you watched a few logs back and any of our socials, you would have noticed that we have been doing strength finders with our team here, and part of Tom's strengths definitely in the line of being a producer. So we threw him into there and he's absolutely flying, loving it, and he's getting more job satisfaction out of it, I hope. So here's a quick roundup of the behind the scenes of what happened on that Oliver Estate production. Last Friday we were over at Homely doing another big shoot in the studio for their next range. We were covering the 3 brands, the Goodnight Society, Homely and Rose Road. So we literally shot everything for their lookbook and for their website, and we started about 9 o'clock in the morning and finished up at 11:15 at night, so it was a massive day. We're scaling their production as well, so rather than just doing photos, we're now doing a whole lot of video content which are moving pieces for the shop as well. So clients can jump in and see, rather than just still images, they can see how items flow, how they fit on the model, and just how they fall on the model as well. Something quite common that you see on a lot of e-commerce sites like Iconic and Topman and Topshop and things like that. So we're just trying to keep in line with what the industry is doing and providing a resource there. We also had Danielle and Baz Razmataz outside doing a whole lot of lifestyle content, which was another component to add into the whole sphere. They were able to gather all that stuff and use it for social distribution, which is really exciting to see them dominating the social space and growing their audience with great high quality content. On the business front, one thing we'd love to loop you in on, we're always refining our processes, and one thing that we've adopted is how we do proposals. We were finding we were spending way too much time setting up documents in InDesign, making adjustments, pulling in data from Harvest, and the whole process was just getting really clunky and slow, and it was also reliant on Joshua or Danielle having InDesign to be able to set that up. We're using some software called Qwilr, I'm not sure how you say it, Qwilr. It's an amazing web interface, which is WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get. So it's all live, and you can populate all your information just on this live web page. It integrates with Xero, which we use for our accounting, so I can pull in all our products and services to easily populate the quote and proposal section. Presents beautifully, reads beautifully, easy to design, super easy, which has been great for us, and the whole team can collaborate on it. If you're in the business of creating creating proposals or quoting and you want something really beautiful, check out Qwilr in the link below. A quick update on the new space. It feels like it's a long drag, but yes, stuff is still moving in the background. We are at the point now where we're just working out costings for fit out, and then once we've got those costings sorted, we can hopefully get a lease document drawn up, sign that, and then we're straight into resource consent. We're super excited about this new space and the possibilities of what we're going to be able to do through the content creation. We wanted to create a place in Nelson that was just the creative hub for where everything is going on. So we're working on all that as well. Well, I don't have my wingman to bounce off to give you any humour, but hopefully that was insightful for you. Thank you so much for tuning in for log number 23. I am Tim Williams. This has probably been the quickest log we've ever done because I haven't had to faff about with old mate. But next time you will see Joshua Kirk jumping on in if there's no delays within his flight, and we wish his family a safe trip back. Stay tuned for Lumiere log 24 coming at you in the next week or so. Peace out. Long way.